Now listen the second part of the summary. Here, here, here on the way, Wally saw different type of scene and enjoy her journey well. In the bus, when she was standing on the seat to watch the different type of scene outside of the bus, there an elderly person interrupt her to say, "Listen, child, you should not stand like that. Sit down." Hearing this, Wally replied like a young woman. She said that she was not a child. She had paid 30 pesos as everyone else paid. That is why she was not child. Hearing the answer of Wally, conductor started laughing to say that now she was a madam, not a child, because she paid 30 pesos and travel are her own. She was traveling alone. That is why she was not a child. Then after an elderly woman showed her surprise to see Wally travel in the bus alone, and she was not scared from anyone. That is why elderly woman showed her surprise and asked if she was not scared of traveling all alone. But she was not responsive to her. She did not give any answer to the elderly woman. Now on her journey, she watched everything outside outside of the bus. On the way in one place, she started she started to clap her hand and laughed heartily when she saw a cow with an upright tail running fast in the middle of the road in front of the bus. Seeing running the cow in front of the bus, she became happy, not bothering about the honking of the bus. But conductor, as said her, "Madam, the bus driver always tried to save the cows." She was fascinated to see different type of thing on the way. She saw shop with shining cloths and other things. She also saw a big crowd in the market. She saw the train and so on many things. At last, the bus reached the town. Every passenger got down except Wally. She told the conductor that she would go back her village in the same bus and bought another ticket for 30 paisa. Conductor asked her to get down and looked around the bus station till the bus started, but she refused. She said that she was scared. That is why she did not dare to come out of the bus. She was child, so scaring is the natural habit of a child. That is why she refused his free treat of a drink. After some time, the bus again start to her village. She again looked excitedly at the outside scene on her journey back to village. But she became sad when she saw a dead cow on the road. She saw that blood all around spared the eyes of the cow wide open. It looked fascinating. It looked horrible at that time because it was the same cow that had amused her so much on her journey to town. But there it lay dead. She thought that it must a few fast-moving vehicle must hit her. That is why she dead. And to see the dead cow, Wally became very sad. The image of the dead cow haunted her. She lost interest in outside world and sat silently to her seat till she reached her village. When Molly entered her house, she saw her mother Oak and talking to one of her aunts, who was a real chatterbox. They casually asked Wally where she had been. Wally smiled and entered in. Nobody could know that she had a bus ride all alone. The student, that is the summary of the lesson. Madam, ride the bus. I think every student must understand the summary. Oh, thanks to watch my video.